So, Assalamu alaikum. This is the first part of our project Haatekhori. Haatekhori is a project which we do intended for the child and helping them and their parents for the benefit of their education, and that is the basically the competition of tech, artificial intelligence, and child learning. So let's learn the server. We run the server, and we see that is our front page. So let's start. There are a lot of features. So the first feature is learn to write. In that section, the child can learn how to write like English character, English number, and there are three division. Like in the first division, the child learn how to write with the help of dotted lines. In the second division, with the help of animation. In the third division, with the help of video. So in that kind of thing, so the child can draw character like this, and not only that, the child can undo this or clear that kind of things. And another important thing, the child can save this picture as image, which will be very beneficial for us in the later part for character recognition. So moving on to the next, that is know your surrounding. Basically there are two kind of things, one is shape and another is object. In the shape learning part, the child will learn some basic shape with their crucial identification thing. Like for triangle there are three corners, for circle there are radius, etc. For quadrangle there are four angle, etc. So in the next part, the child have to learn to identify them. So you see that there is a green rectangle and it is asked what kind of shape is this. So this is circle, you know. If we click on quadrangle and we submit it, that is failed. But if we click on circle and submit it, it says that yes, that is success. So next part, moving on, level on, that is counting shape. In that part, that is help a child to counting shape, how many kind of shapes are there. So you see that the question asks you how many circles are there. You see that there are 5 circles, but if we click on 3 that submit it, it said fail. But if we click on 5 and then submit it, that's already a success. The child is correctly identifying them. So the most interesting part is there is object that is intended to the artificial intelligence. So if we click on this, that is not moving because there is nothing here. So let's add something on that. So if we go to our object detection database, and from that let's choose a image for object detection. Like for example, we see that kind of thing. So room image, what is this? You see that is a basically random image of my room. And so let's we add this. So let's add the file name original and like object name also, we save it. So that is it. So let's add another image. The second image we are going to add, that is the image of a town. That is very basic identification. So let's add this. So we add this and save that. So that is added. So now moving on to the next, if we refresh it and going to the next, you see that dynamically our image is loaded now with identification and the level below there. So that is person, that is person, and another that is bowl, that is car, and that is car, that is car, that is mouse, and you can go back also. So that is dynamically loaded. That will help the child to learn. So another interesting part, that is identify. What that is, say that see the object carefully, write the name on the blank box. So if I'm moving on to this, so we have to write what is in the green box. So suppose if we write car and submit, that says success. But if we write book and submit, that what will say, that is said fail. So let's try on another thing. Like for this, that you know that is bowl. So let's try with writing bowl. So let's submit it, that's a success. So like this, the child will help to identify, and you can see that our detected image is now in there, which is basically MTV4. So another thing, another feature we have also, that is we can also detect object with a video, live video feed. So let's try this. So you can see that it's detected me, and FPS is quite high, 1890, and it is live feed. But if we run the video, that will be 30 FPS. So let's you see that our model is identifying this as dog.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ratul Mahazadin. I will demonstrate a feature which is called face recognition. Face recognition is one of our feature in the system. So in order to demonstrate the feature, first of all I need to upload some random images to the system. So let's do that. I'm choosing some random images and giving their names. I guess 3 is good enough for the demonstration. Now I will input some a random images, a random image, and the system will try to recognize the person of the picture. Let's do that. So going to level 1, which is the feature I intended to demonstrate. Let's upload the picture. If you have already noticed, I have uploaded previously this one, and this one. Now I will take a different picture apart from these 3, which is that picture. Okay, I'm uploading, and now it will recognize that if the system already knows the person or not. If knows, then it will show the result, which is already showing in this site. Okay, if I go back and try to recognize a different person which is not recognized by the system, in my case this is Mark Zuckerberg. If I upload his picture, the system will show the result saying that it is unknown to him. The result is shown that it is unknown to the system. So that's how this feature works actually. So how does the child can use this feature? So the parents of the children can upload the images to the system. Then each time the children can take a picture of their relatives and give it to the system, and the system will recognize the person. This is how it works.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Rafi and I will be showing you the learning part of our various elements of our face. As you can see, there are no image preloaded, so let's add some image first. Uh, let's take a photo of Sabir, my friend, who is also a part of project, as well as I will take a photo of Ratul, who is also a part of this project, and let's take another photo of mine. Okay, the photos are loaded. As you can see, the photos are loaded here, and let's learn from Ratul's photo first. Right now the server is working on the backend and on the detection part, and as you can see, if I click here, it will show me this is Ratul's face, and we know that this part is the face. This is how the child will learn, and here the child will identify where is the nose. He or she can learn from here, and this is the mouth, and as well as it can identify. Oh, sorry. This is because Ratul is wearing a glass. That is why the app could not detect his eye. But that's okay. Let's go on to the quiz part. Let's identify this time from my photo. Sorry, Sabbir. Right now it's detecting on my photo, and I will have to take a quiz. Let's start the quiz. The question is, where is my nose? Let's say this is my nose. Oh no, this is not my nose. So where is my nose? This is my nose. Yes, this is my nose. Let's go to the next question. Where is your face? Is this my face? No, this is not my face. This is my face. Yes. Moving on to the next question. Where is my mouth? Uh, this is my mouth. I already know that. And where is my eye? Well, this is my eye. Yes. And just like that, we can do the same for Subbit's photo. We can learn or identify and take the quiz. And that's all about it. Thank you.